Today, Bangalore is only city in the world to have both commercial and defense airports operating from the same strip, highlighting the strategic importance. Indian aerospace industry is strengthening through partnership with nations like various countries, forwarding nations like America, US, France, and Russia. We are also focusing on green innovation technologies, including electric popularization and biofuels for sustainability. Women participation in aerospace is increasing, and we are taking pride in fostering gender diversity in the sector. In order to bridge the gap in the manufacturing sector, while India excels in aircraft servicing and repair, the manufacture of aircraft and helicopter remains a challenge. A significant portion of the India's defense aircraft is still imported. We must work towards self-reliance in aerospace manufacturing. Bangalore has been the talent, infrastructure, and expertise in legal integrated aircraft and helicopter manufacturing. I appeal to Honorable Rakshana Mantri and Government of India. I urge the Honorable Defence Minister again to provide an incentives for the aircrafts and helicopter manufacturing to set up their industries in Karnataka, which should look on the local sector for the usage of India. I again would like to emphasize that Karnataka is a home with more than 250 engineering colleges and various aerospace engineering technologies institutions are there. Bangalore nurtures the largest pool of aerospace talent in India. The city fosters a culture of collaboration, innovation, and excellence, making it the perfect launchpad for their aerospace future. Karnataka is a place where talents meets opportunity. I would like to close the Bangalore Air Show is not more just an event. It is a symbol of India's strength, progress, and leadership in aerospace. As we continue to grow, Karnataka and Bangalore, we remain at all centers of India's aerospace journey. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the participants, exhibitors, organizers of Air India or through 2025. I encourage investors, entrepreneurs, and business leaders to explore Karnataka and the country as a unite to a unique opportunity in the aerospace of defense. Finally, let us soar the new horizons. Together we build a world of innovation. Thank you. Jai Hind.